So here's an overview of what I have done so far. I've unscrewed everything. Right now, I'm just trying to replace the flex cable so you can see me attaching it to the logic board. Yes, I do have nails on, so it makes it easier for me because I can use my nails to help align it and make sure the connectors go back on correctly. And I do use some extra tools to help me out with the curved tongs. So there are like 4 connectors. They're like pinpoints that you gotta snap on. And that's what I'm doing with the tongs. And then I just go ahead, turn it over, and reposition it back into the phone because you do have to hold it at like a 30-degree angle to get it back in there. I'm moving some of the cables out the way, kind of prop them up so that I can slide that logic board back in there, and then there it goes. It slides back in like a glove. So really easy to do. And then I go ahead and align it again inside the phone. As I'm aligning it, I'm trying to figure out what screws I want to go back and put it in because I'm kind of working in a backwards motion. So here I'm going to relapse me turning the screws, and I am showing off the driver that I am using to screw them back in with in case you have any questions as far as what type of screws they are, or what type of tools you'll need to do your repair with. So I am putting the screws back in. First, I'm going over the side where the camera lays, and being very careful to attach those connectors and put back in the camera so that it can work as properly. This is an iPhone 6, so I haven't gotten to the point where the Touch ID sensor and all of that connects, but I'll talk about that later. Okay, and I'm turning the screws so fast. Your girl is just that good. But look at those nails and how they help me. Now I'm getting the screen back on there. I like to separate the 3 connectors that come with the screen so that when I lay it on, I can do the bottom one first and then go from the bottom to the top. And that's the multi-touch cable. So that is what controls the switching from screen to screen and what controls your touch. So now I'm laying the bracket back over. I'm having some positioning trouble, but yeah, I forgot which way it laid. have a little bit of memory loss, but I get back to it, you know?